Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Malibu's oil. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. You'll also need to purchase the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a new oil filter for your specific model. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the lowest part of the pan, and carefully remove it with your wrench. Allow all the old, dirty engine oil to completely drain out. This can take several minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. Next, locate the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter, being prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin layer of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. Use your dipstick to check the oil level, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then check for any leaks. Don't forget to reset your oil life monitor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.